Hey there, Southern Eats family. Welcome back to the channel where we celebrate the heart and soul of Southern cooking, the flavors that bring us together, the traditions that warm our homes, and the meals that create unbreakable bonds. Today, we're diving into something truly special, Virginia's ultimate Christmas ham secret. If you've ever dreamed of serving a ham that's not just delicious, but legendary, juicy, tender, with a glaze that caramelizes into pure holiday magic, then stick around. This isn't just a recipe, it's a game changer for your holiday table. It's the main event that will have your friends and family raving, creating memories that'll last a lifetime. You know, in the hustle of the holidays, it's easy to forget what matters most. Gathering around the table, sharing stories and savoring food made with love. But this ham, it's your secret weapon to make that happen. Inspired by Virginia's rich ham heritage, think those famous Smithfield country hams, dry cured and smoked to perfection. We're unlocking the ultimate secret that turns a simple ham into a showstopper. And the best part, it's easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to delight everyone over the holiday season. So grab your apron, let's get motivated, and let's cook like champions. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about why Virginia ham is the king of holiday feasts. Virginia has been perfecting ham since the 1600s, when settlers learned curing techniques from Native Americans and brought in English traditions. Smithfield, Virginia is the ham capital of the world. Their hams are protected by law, aged for months, and packed with that salty, smoky depth that screams Southern soul. But here's the ultimate secret. Most folks overlook the prep. Virginia country ham is dry cured, so it's salty and firm. The key to making it juicy and melt in your mouth tender? A gentle boil to draw out the salt, followed by a killer glaze that seals in the flavor. This isn't just cooking, it's honoring a legacy. It's about taking something timeless and making it your own, proving that with a little effort, you can create holiday magic that unites your loved ones. You got this. Let's transform your kitchen into a Virginia ham haven. All right, champions, let's gather our ingredients. This recipe serves about 18 people, perfect for a big family gathering or leftovers that taste even better the next day. You'll need a 12-pound Virginia ham, also known as country ham. Look for one that's fully cooked and smoked. Smithfield brand is gold if you can find it. 1 bunch of green onions. This is optional, but trust me, it's part of the secret for adding subtle aroma during the boil. 1.5 cups of lightly packed brown sugar. 1/2 cup of real maple syrup. None of that pancake stuff. We want the pure, rich flavor. 1/4 cup of honey mustard. 1/4 cup of grainy mustard for that tangy kick. 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar to balance the sweetness. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and plenty of water for boiling. That's it. Simple ingredients, but when combined, they create a symphony of flavors. Remember, quality matters. Source the best ham you can, because this is about elevating your holiday, not just filling plates. You're not just cooking, you're crafting joy. Step 1. The boil. This is where the magic starts, and it's the secret that sets Virginia ham apart. If your ham has any netting or string, leave it on for now. Give it a good rinse under cold water to remove any excess salt or residue. Now, lower that beauty into a large stock pot. Cover it with cold water by at least 1 inch. We're drawing out that intense saltiness to make it perfectly balanced. Here's the optional twist for extra flavor. Take your bunch of green onions, wash them, trim the roots, and either knot them or chop into 2-inch pieces. Toss them in the pot. They infuse a mild, oniony essence without overpowering the ham. Bring it all to a boil over medium-high heat. Once bubbling, drop the heat to medium and let it simmer for 1 full hour. No rushing this. Patience is key to tenderness. Think of it as your ham's spa treatment. relaxing those fibers for ultimate juiciness. While that's going, let's prep the glaze, the star of the show. In a saucepan, whisk together the brown sugar, maple syrup, honey mustard, grainy mustard, apple cider vinegar, and black pepper. Heat over medium-high until it boils, then stir continuously for 5 minutes. Reduce to a simmer and keep it warm. This glaze isn't just sweet. It's got that mustard bite and vinegar tang that cuts through the richness. Pro tip: this makes extra for serving. Drizzle it over sides like mashed potatoes for next-level deliciousness. You're building layers of flavor here, family, each step bringing you closer to holiday perfection. After an hour, carefully drain the ham into a colander in your sink. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. Safety first, but don't wait too long. Discard those green onions, they've done their job. Now, transfer the ham to a shallow roasting pan or a cutting board if your pan's deep. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2, scoring for success. This is crucial. It lets the glaze penetrate and renders the fat for that juicy interior. Using a sharp paring knife, cut about 1/3 of an inch deep in straight lines, an inch apart across the top and sides. Then, rotate 45 degrees and cut again to create a diamond pattern. Don't score the bottom. Boom. You've just unlocked maximum flavor absorption. If the netting was on, remove it now. You're not just prepping, you're engineering a masterpiece that will wow your table. Step 3, the bake and baste. Place the ham in your preheated oven and set a timer for 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes, pull it out and baste generously with that glorious glaze. Cover every diamond, every crevice. You'll do this 4 times total for a 1-hour bake. If it browns too fast, tent loosely with foil. This repeated basting, that's the secret to a sticky caramelized crust that's sweet, tangy, and irresistible. The ham's already cooked, so we're just heating and infusing. After the hour, let it rest for 5 minutes. Then, slice only what you need. Keep the rest whole to stay moist. Aim for half-pound servings, but hey, holidays are for indulging. Now, the tips and secrets to make this your best ham ever. First, always use a true Virginia country ham for authenticity. It's drier than city ham, but the boil makes it superior in flavor. If your ham's extra salty, soak it overnight in water before boiling. Scoring deep ensures glaze magic. Leftovers? Refrigerate up to a week or freeze for months. Great in sandwiches or soups. Pair this with your family's favorite sides. Think creamy collards, fluffy cornbread, or candied yams. This ham isn't just food. It's the centerpiece that sparks joy, laughter, and connection. You've got the power to make this holiday unforgettable. Believe in your kitchen skills. There you have it, Southern Eats Squad, Virginia's ultimate Christmas ham secret, ready to delight your friends and family. If this fired you up, hit that like button, subscribe for more Southern inspirations, and turn on notifications so you never miss a recipe. Drop a comment. What's your must-have holiday side? Follow us at Watch Southern Eats on all platforms. Merry Christmas, y'all. Go forth and cook with heart. Until next time, keep those Southern Eats coming.